Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $5 for absolutely free and you can withdraw money in this app via cryptocurrency, PayPal, US Visa card, Apple, Amazon and many other ways. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see notification as soon as we upload the video. This app name is Paid Cash. First we need to open the app. As soon as the app is open, it shows some details about the app, how to earn money in the app, how to get the money you are looking for. You can start by reading this. Now let's register for the app. I am registering with my Google account. This is how it looks when you enter the app. You will get 50 coins free as soon as you register with the app. Now we have to find money. You have to earn money by completing services and offers provided in this app. If we take the Alibaba app, you just have to download and open the app and wait for a while. Then you will get 147 coins. If we take the Sky plugin app, we can get the relevant coins after downloading the app and completing the tasks in it. You can earn the same money in every other game. Next is the offer bar. Here too you can choose an offer you like and earn money by completing the relevant task. You can earn money in the same way in the wall. Apart from server offers, task offers, the other way to earn money in this app is to invite friends. If someone logs into this app from your link, you can get 5,000 coins and 30% of the coins collected by that person. Withdraw in like this app, like BTC, Ethereum, Tron, cryptocurrency, PayPal, US Visa card, Amazon, Apple, you can get the money you collect. You can take care of all these things once you download this app. Okay, so that's all that I should say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing you in another video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day, all of them.